All right. This is how we eat now. Big bite. Now we're gonna suck my thumb. This is my new thing. Bite, please. And thumb. Yeah, it's okay. You keep doing it. It's cute. Bite. And thumb.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
This is a good rotation, Dylan. Bite and thumb. You might have to go on America's Funniest Home Videos with this.
Except you're blowing bubbles. I don't know if you're getting any of this down.
What is it like? I wonder if it's like a drink. Like food and then drink.
Yeah, he's washing it down.
Wash it down with a little thumb. No thumb that time, huh? You just want another bite, please. Someone give me a bite. I've only been eating for a week and I eat like a champ. Alright, enough of that. Bite. And thumb. Bye. See you later, bud. I guess this will be the last one for the camera.